Hi dear, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you for asking me. By the way, you look like so pretty. You look like so cute, dear.
Thank you.
So what's your name?
My name is Aishi, and
Okay,
yours?
yeah, my name is Samir and I'm living in Mumbai. So what about you?
I'm living in India. Sorry, Noida. Delhi.
Okay, Noida in Delhi. Okay, that's great. So how old are you, dear?
I'm 8 years old.
8 year, only for 8 year.
Yeah,
Oh my God, you're speaking better than me. Seriously,
yeah.
that's
My
great.
father teach me English,
Okay,
and you also you
okay,
you make your YouTube videos, right?
yeah,
So I see your YouTube videos, then understand your
okay.
understand.
Okay, that's great. So, do you study?
Yeah,
Okay, so which standard?
fourth.
Oh, standard. That's great. So, which subject you do like to, study most of time?
Yeah, I like English and maths.
Wow, English and math. That's why reason you are learning English language. That's great. Okay.
And in future, what can you become?
Yeah, you want to become a teacher?
No, you
Okay.
what?
Okay, actually, if you are talking about my future, so I want to become a something. I want to become a businessman. But
Okay, but I want to become a doctor.
wow, that's great. Yeah, doctor, we can say it's God of. We can compare to God because
Yeah.
doctor, helping a people. That's great. So, dear, tell me about yourself, about your father, about your parents. How do you learn English language, by the way?
Uh, I have one sister. Then I see any videos. Okay, I learn anything in English, math, anything. So my sister repeat that. I speak and my sister repeat that.
Okay, that's great. Mm-hmm.
She is 3 years old and she is just
Okay,
sleeping.
that's great. So, do you like to read a books, like simple
Yeah,
book?
yeah.
Okay, what kind of? Tell me.
Very funny book. I like.
Okay, that's good. And you also very funny. You look like so cute. Seriously.
Thank
Okay.
you.
What about comic book? Do you know comic book?
Uh, no, I don't read comic book.
Because
But
comic book.
but
Mhm.
I listen. The comic book is so funny.
Yes, yes. If you go to read a book, comic book, definitely
Yeah.
we can say we will learn more new word, new funny story, new character. It's amazing, and especially Marvel's movie. Marvel's comic movie cartoon. Do you like to cartoon?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Cartoon
whenever,
cartoons
yeah,
is so funny.
yes, absolutely. Whenever you watch a TV, then watch to cartoon with subtitle. It's gonna help about English language. Seriously, it's helping. Okay.
I connect my phone on TV, then I watch YouTube channels, videos, okay, learning English and videos, cartoons in English. So
Okay.
my dad is scolding me. You speak only English and watch only also English. English videos, English cartoon. You uh, you you watch anything but in English.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Your dad is right. You want to become a master on English language, then you have to focus on English about watching, about listening, about speaking, about spending. This is interesting. Then you will able to talk in front of people. Okay. Yeah, actually, one of girl, I watch her video. She belong to like Haryana. She's named Janvi Pawar. Do you know Janvi Pawar? She also girl, okay, and she belong to Haryana. And right now she's speaking 12 language,
Yeah,
12 to 15
yeah,
language.
Janvi. Yeah,
Yeah.
Janvi. Yeah, she live in Haryana, and her English is so good.
Yes. She speak very well. She become a master.
Yeah, uh, her is speaking in her English. Her English is so good, and she speaks so many languages: American, English. Yeah, so many.
Yes. Yeah, so that's why I'm telling. Even she started her journey like English journey in childhood, like you. Okay, then you can also become her. Okay, so just watch her video. Definitely, you will learn more and more because childhood. Whenever we learn any kind of language, we can learn easily because our mind is like working that moment. That moment we whenever listen, observe, automatically we just catch a word, catch a sentence. Yeah. So I think you are going to right track. So just keep going, watch her video. Definitely you will learn. Okay. Yeah. So tell me something new.
What?
Okay. So I'm going to tell like you want to become a doctor. Am I right?
Yeah.
So right now you are ninth class. I mean, sorry. Which standard you are doing a study?
Food.
Board. Yeah, maybe like six, then 5, 6, 5, 11. 11 years remaining. Then in duration 11 years, definitely you will achieve many things. Okay, like about English, about accent. Do you like to accent?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of like American, British, Australian, Indian,
American.
America? So can you speak me little bit like American accent? Even I don't know, but I want to listen from you. Like, please tell me. Yeah.
So, American person speak. What about you? So speak that. What about you? What about you?
Yeah.
Like this.
Right. Yes, yes, right. Absolutely right. Like, they always use a short form, and we can say, "What about you?" Like that. Even I don't know how to speak American. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, sometime I watch like a TV series. We can say, like, BBC. This is news. It's very important. And always like I try to listen more about podcast and like family drama. So this kind of I'm learning myself. So what about you? Like what would you like to listen more?
Like
Like song, comedy, family drama, like that?
comedy. Comedy is my
Okay, comedy.
like
Okay.
listen comedy, but song also.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Don't worry. Like comedy is good option to learning something. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what
I
about?
I
Yeah.
want to sorry. I I think you you know how can make you
Like what I know. How can what?
know how can you know how can make you know what
Cubes.
cube
Uh, Tubes. No, dear. I'm not hearing proper. Tell me again, please.
cube
Cubes. Yeah, cubes. Okay.
you can make cube,
No, no, no. I do not make a. No, no, no.
but I can make cube.
Oh, I see how.
Here is my cube.
Oh, oh, I see. This is like we can say a cubes. Yes, yes, right. Like it's interesting, and it's a long
I
time ago, dear.
I make I make cube only 3 layers, not 4.
Oh, I see.
I don't.
Yeah, I know. It's very
I make
complicated.
I make this. I
Okay,
make
you made. Wow, that's great. So I think so. You are talented girl. Seriously, that's cool. Okay. So right now you are playing with your cubes.
yeah. I'm playing with my cube. I have toys and my sister also. My sister is so naughty
Okay, that's great.
and
So you are.
she play with me.
Yeah, that's great. This is good thing. Like helping each other, playing each other, and cube
Yeah,
is like you very. If you whenever you play a cube, then your mind will be progressing. You're gaining our mind is
yeah,
working. So I saw many videos about cube. It's like
yeah.
mind is working proper, then gaining knowledge, and it's like how to complete time and arrangement, everything. It's interesting. Sometime I play.
Now, my cube, my father bought this cube, so I don't know how can this make, and I don't know, and I take this cube, then the cube is all make, okay, and then what
What? Yeah, tell me, go ahead.
I round this,
Uh-huh.
round, then I this is I don't know how can this make, but I make this cube.
Then how much time you consume?
First, when I see so many YouTube videos, then I make first layer. Then I know that how can I make first layer, then second layer, then third layer. So I know.
Oh, I see. Then finally you did like all layers.
Yeah,
That's great. This is interesting. Okay. So yeah, are you playing with cube?
no, no.
Okay. So what about morning time over there? Like you are feeling too cold, I think, over there. I think because you wear like cap and sweater. Can you hear me? Actually, your voice is not coming.
Now
Yeah, now it's clear. Now it's clear.
here is so cold.
Okay, that's great. So what about environment in outside atmosphere? How is?
There I don't know. I don't go because there is so cold. You don't know.
Yeah, I heard about. I saw in a news like winter summer started, and in Delhi, lots of fogs and like violence is, so it's very tough over there. Yeah. So right now, like what about your school? When will open? Do you
My
know?
not open now.
Yeah, I know it's closed, but when will?
Uh, I don't know.
You don't have any
And
idea?
now
Okay.
the school open. mm, when the children go to school, children thinking the school closed on 100 days. Now the close, so every children is told our parents, our teacher, please open the school.
Yeah, absolutely. Like even my brother, he have two kids, okay, and they are thinking about a whole year. Like we got a holiday, so I think next year also, like we will go to school next year. They are
Yeah,
just playing. They are just playing. They always whole day they are just playing, and they do not think about study. They do not try to go school. They think about mom, dad, I want to take a rest because I don't know how to study. They forget everything in lockdown period.
yes.
Yeah. So that this is great thing. Like kids always think about like take a holiday. So finally you got a 1 year approximately. This is interesting. Then I hope
But
so. In
but the lockdown is open. Okay,
yeah.
so I improve our English. Then I learn tenses. Okay, and to improve our English tenses like and make sentences. My
Mhm.
father, my father, uh, any sentence in Hindi. Okay, then I write copy and okay,
Mhm.
I write in copy. Then write in English.
Okay, that's great. So your father, is he speaking with you?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's why reason you are
and
improving.
I make also YouTube channel.
Oh my God. Really? That's
Yeah,
great. Okay. So what kind of video you are making?
English learning like
English learning.
tenses. Do not tense.
Okay.
And today I make one video.
Okay. You made? Already you make?
Yeah,
Okay. So
and
after
today I have
conversation,
made one
one
fast.
video.
Yeah,
Past
fast.
tense. Okay. What do you mean by past tense like that? Okay, that's great. So only one video you made on your YouTube channel?
I made now three videos
Free.
and yeah,
Okay, that's great. Uh-huh. So
and I also make one cute video.
okay, absolutely. You should make because you are master in your cube. Okay, so then do it. Definitely, people, a viewer will like you. Okay, because just show your talent and very short period. If you make a very short period like then you will crack. If you concentrate like how to make a shot, then you will become a like I heard about, I saw one of video, cube video, one of guy he made like very short, maybe we can say 1 minute, under the 1 minute, then you
Now,
should also crack. Yeah, then you
yeah,
will make a record, okay, and upload this video. Definitely people will like you. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So so right now, see dear, like our time is going around 20 minutes. Okay, so it's amazing conversation. Seriously, you are doing great. You are, you are nice person, and thank you very much for connecting with me. And all the best, all the best. Your cube video, please send me. Okay, don't forget. After video, please
Okay,
send me
okay.
your video.
I send you my all videos.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, absolutely. Send me your channel name. Definitely, I will subscribe. I will comment, and I will teach you like how to make a video. What kind of video? Okay. Yeah. Bye, bye,
Bye.
dear. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, and see you.
Have a nice day too.
Yeah. Bye, bye.